In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header padding in your Shopify store. This is a straightforward process, and you'll be enhancing the overall look of your store, ensuring it meets your aesthetic and functional needs. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Shopify admin panel. This is where all the magic begins. Ensure that you are logged into your account and that you're at your store's homepage on the admin panel. Having this open will allow you to access all the tools you need for customization. Once you're on the home page, look for the button labeled Customize. This option is your entry point to all the design areas of your Shopify store, giving you the freedom to mold the appearance of your storefront. Clicking on it will take you to the theme editor, which is essentially a playground for your design ideas. Now that we are in the theme editor, our next target is the header section. The header is a crucial part of your page because it's what your customers will immediately see as they visit your store. Clicking on the header option will bring up settings specifically for this part of your store layout. These settings allow you to align the header's appearance to your brand identity. Next, direct your attention to the padding option in the header settings. Padding affects how much space surrounds the content within your header, impacting the overall aesthetic balance and readability. Adjusting padding can make your header feel more organized and aesthetically pleasing, so it's worth spending a moment to explore this feature. After that, focus on adjusting the top padding. This refers to the space at the very top of your header. By increasing or decreasing this space, you can alter how your site's logo or navigation links appear. A larger top padding could make the header seem more spacious, giving elements more breathing room. Finally, the last adjustment involves the bottom padding. Similar to the top padding, modifying the bottom padding alters the spacing below the header elements. This can create a cohesive look once paired with the top padding, ensuring that the header feels balanced from both the top and bottom sides. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have a more customized and visually appealing header for your Shopify store. Making these adjustments enhances your customer's experience, giving your site a professional and polished look. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing on Shopify. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a comment or like the video.